Ladies and gents, from wherever you are in the world and wherever you're joining us, a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the 4th Annual Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards 2021. It's my absolute pleasure to be hosting this gala here today. We're live from Singapore. My name is Nirav Patel. I'm the Managing Director of the Digital Banker and Global Private Banker. And I am joined today by the lovely Cordelia Lau. Over to you, Cordelia.
Hello everybody, and of course thank you Nirav, great to be here as well. I am thrilled to be co-hosting today's gala as the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards program turns close to half a decade old. We are looking forward to hearing from our winners very shortly, but before we do, some little important things to take note of. You'll note that there's an interactive virtual lobby as you enter the auditorium. The lobby offers numerous complimentary downloads such as the Digital Banker as well as the Global Private Banker magazines. You'll also note that there are several videos to watch at your own leisure. Please feel free to download these assets and enjoy the read.
Absolutely. Please do take note of the interactive lobby. It's been designed specifically for the honorees, also the delegates who are spectating today. You'll note that there are a number of assets, as Cordelia mentioned, so feel free to download those magazines. More importantly, there is a dedicated virtual recording room that we have set up. It's for your benefit. So, thank you to everybody who submitted today. And, do take the time at your own discretion to go and record a few minutes speech. It will be played, post awards and be made available on all of our digital channels. There is also a photo booth for you and your team to, take a few sort of photos of appreciation and post them again as and where you want. Just before we move over to the next segment of this gala, which is the Retail Bankers Symposium, we're going to hear from 6 sort of leaders across the world, and we'll introduce them shortly. But what we've really acknowledged at the Digital Banker is the shift that has been made to really drive customer experience and put customers at the forefront of banking. We're really starting to see sort of digital channels being augmented. We're starting to see a lot of banks investing a hell of a lot of capital into really augmenting the customer service. And what was very clear from our nominations is that during the COVID-19 pandemic, there's been a lot of demand for customers to be serviced across these channels, and that's really forced the banks not just to innovate digitally, but to really understand and empathize with the customer. We're seeing a lot of movement from the fintech industry as well, and we're seeing a lot of integrated and embedded APIs into the ecosystem play. So interesting to see the analysis that will be made available to you post-gala. Please keep an eye out on the Digital Banker website and across our channels, and we will make that report available to all of you. Let's move on to the first bit of the gala, which is going to be the Leaders Symposium, and we're delighted to be joined here by 6 individuals. Of course, as ever, we would have liked to have a few more represented on the day, but given the geographical spread, the time frame isn't always that easy. Our first honoree for today, who's going to be saying a few words, is from Hsbc Canada, and I'm jumping ahead here. It's Standard Chartered Singapore. And here we have Damon Chong Wai Kyung. Over to you, Damon, for a few words. You may need to unmute there, Damon.
I've unmuted. Do you hear me?
You have, loud and clear.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for everyone. It's a great honor to share thought with all of you. First of all, I think as Nirav just mentioned, the need for the banking of the clients have changing, and the COVID has accelerated that. Our personal life has changed, so do our clients. A lot of us, maybe more work from home. We are not seeing our friends and family as often as we want. And this has definitely affected our physical and mental well-being. Also, COVID has affected the financial well-being for our mass banking retail clients globally due to lockdown and some economic activities being interrupted. Therefore, it is important actually for our banking fellows to innovate, find new, better, sustainable, and suitable product and solution to help our clients to manage the financial well-being. Instead, chart with accelerate our investment and also accelerate the offering of our product and new digital capability that are simple and and easy to use for our clients globally. And it's great to see a great level of client satisfaction. So with all this, right, I think it's important for us as industry and to innovate together over fit for purpose products, capabilities, and platform for all our clients, right? So that they can easily use these simple products. And overall, we can help to contribute with our innovation solutions to make the whole world hopefully a better place. With that said, I think that is, one of those, opening that I would like to share, right? From as an innovation, right? What our banking fellows can collectively make it happen. Yep, that's the end of my sharing. I'll pass on to the next speaker.
Thank you very much, Damien. All right, moving on with our second speaker from Hsbc Canada. We have a pre-recorded video of Carrie Dawson.
Hello, I'm Carrie Dawson. I head digital commercialization for wealth and personal banking at HSBC Bank Canada. And I'd like to thank you for inviting me to speak at your World Banking Movers and Shakers Symposium at this 2021 Awards Gala. At HSBC Bank Canada, we aspire to deliver excellent customer service throughout our network of branches, throughout HSBC's network of 64 countries and territories, and also throughout our digital channels. We believe that no one is better placed than HSBC to help Canadians with their personal finances and to help Canadian companies to do business at home and globally. And we offer services across 3 lines of business: wealth and personal banking, commercial banking, and global banking and markets. So many of you will know well that our customers are increasingly leading digital lives, and we know this too. And this is reflected in our ambition to deliver faster, easier, and more secure digital banking. Our aim is to be our bank in your pocket. And many of our retail and corporate customers are already using online banking to manage their finances. We are further investing in digital platforms that streamline operations, that support growth in many key areas, and we are reimagining and digitalizing many key processes like onboarding for new customers, credit and lending, payments, and trade transactions. Everything we do starts with the customer in mind and how we can make their lives easier. An example of this is something called Easy ID. It's a fast and convenient way to open an account without visiting a branch, and for which we're being honored tonight. But it was COVID-19 and its impact that really challenged us to understand our clients' needs and to work out the right solution for each of them. We've helped more than 5,000 customers who asked for support in Canada using mainly digital channels to engage with them. We've been actively working with our small businesses and middle market customers also impacted by COVID-19, supporting some with funding through a number of federal government programs, as well as providing outreach to all to understand their current situation and how HSBC can best support. Most importantly, HSBC Canada has been able to support all of its customers through their channel of choice, be it via branch, be it digitally through online banking, and through our mobile app. So let me conclude now by thanking you again for the invitation to speak at this symposium. I hope I've given you an understanding of the importance of customer experience through the use of digital channels at HSBC Bank Canada. Thanks again, and congratulations to all the winners.
Thanks so much, Kerry. Congratulations to you and HSBC Canada. Great to hear those insights and, obviously the opportunities that were created by COVID, not just the challenges. And next on, we move over to Experian. We're joined by Joe Jacob. Joe, if you can hear me, over to you.
Yes, Nirav, hope you can hear me as well.
We can, loud and clear.
Yeah, thank you, Nirav, and the whole the Digital Banker team for inviting me to speak at the event today. Really honored to be here. And today I wanted to share my views on the future of credit decisioning. As some of you spoke about, the financial lending market is more competitive than ever, with a number of fintech players joining the foray. And the pandemic has disproportionately impacted the underserved and low-income communities and affected the economic situations of millions of consumers, increasing the need for credit access. So an interesting question that we have to ask ourselves is, are banks capitalizing on this opportunity? At Experian, we are continually innovating to help our clients overcome a wide range of challenges in extending credit to underserved communities. Through attributes derived from alternative data, Experian is able to bridge the gap of data availability and build credit risk models to serve the unbanked and new to credit consumers. Using advanced analytics, machine learning techniques, and efficient ML ops, we accelerate the process of getting actionable insights from data. In such times of accelerated digitization, financial firms need to future-proof their data analytics capabilities and adopt new decisioning strategies to balance risk and reward while remaining fair and compliant. As such, Experian has launched several cloud-first, ready-to-use solutions to help our clients respond to these challenges. Firstly, a customer acquisition solution on cloud to enable rapid automated decisions driven by data and analytics called PowerCurve Customer Acquisition. Secondly, a complete MLOps solution suite on cloud to develop, operationalize, monitor, and fine-tune machine learning models called Ascent Intelligence Services. And lastly, an alternative data scope to underwrite credit invisible segments to drive financial inclusion called PowerScope. Through our investments in data and advanced analytics, we continue to help banks, financial institutions, and fintech lenders to identify and underwrite creditworthy, underserved SMEs and consumers who are currently excluded from the credit ecosystem. As we said, let's continue to innovate, and that's what we are all here for. And congratulations to all the innovative winners today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Joe. What wonderful insights as well. Moving on, we have UOB tomorrow, Kevin Lam. Kevin, where are you at? All right, Kevin, go ahead.
We at UOB, we are very honored to receive these awards today by the Digital Banker Online, the best digital bank and the best bank for millennials. And the more we are honored, where now we are getting more than 40 awards over the last 2 years and counting, the more humbled we are. And hence today, it's my honor to accept the awards with humility. And this award motivates us and reminds us that at UOB, it is only to work harder to retain the trust that's given to us by our clients, our regulators, and friends like yourself, the digital banker in the industry. We are constantly reminded that our customers have many choices and we don't take them for granted. One of the insights perhaps I'd like to share over the last 12 months is that we found that digital banking is no longer just the preference of a niche group of customers, namely the millennials, but over the last 12 to 18 months, because of the COVID ways of working, it has become the mainstay of a far wider segment of customers. Early in 2020, when we did a survey, we found that customers that were aged above 60 was probably only at about the 20% of the entire cohort that was open to doing banking digitally and wealth management digitally. But lo and behold, a year later, in 2021, around the second quarter, that number, surprisingly to us, has increased more than threefold to above 60%. And hence, this has led UOB to bring the digital banking and digital bank to the entire spectrum of customers. And now we are focused on our vision to be the world's most engaging digital bank, not just for millennials, but for all of our segments. And at UOB, we are looking at building this through what we call hyper-personalization for our customers through adaptive digital banking. Big words, but we intend to translate these visions through what we call financial gamification, sustainability carbon footprint, real-time expense tracking, and AI-driven auto savings modules. And all these things that I mentioned are already rolled out or will be in our product pipeline very soon in the next coming months. So with that, I want to thank again the Digital Banker, and we're again honored to be receiving this award. Thank you.
Thanks for that, Kevin. Some great commentary and insights into the tech stack there. We are starting to see a common denominator here. That is, some of the opportunities created by the pandemic and how it's really driven banks to understand and capitalize on further opportunities. We are going to move over to IndusInd Bank. Just before we do that, we have Charu Sachdeva Mathur, who's going to say a few words. So the purpose of this panel, for those of you who may be unfamiliar with the Digital Banker Awards Gala, is really just to give you a snapshot insight into what banks across various regions are actually doing in terms of technology, in terms of product innovation, customer experience. So that's enough from me. Let's pass it over to Charu for a few words.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and very happy to be here and very excited to be part of the very innovative, bankers over here. And we are here. First of all, I would like to thank the Digital Banker team for recognizing us in the categories of innovation in retail loans, which is our easy credit platform, and also for the COVID response, in branch banking. The way I think banking is transforming fast, and digitization has had a huge impact on the way people are now consuming financial services and financial service products. For us, what we see is that they're raising the processes, digitizing consumer journeys, and getting the customers to do acquire. The philosophy was to acquire customers digitally. Increasingly, the shift that we see happening is that banking is becoming more and more frictionless, invisible. It is happening not in a bank, but in areas which are very, very naturally woven in a customer's lifestyle. So consumers are shopping, and at the same time they're doing banking, they're taking a cab and they're doing banking. And so important for us to acknowledge that fact and tailor our offerings to meet consumer demands where they want it and how they want it. And the second important thing that we realize is that it is going to be extremely important to create a customer experience as we go along. We have to put consumers at the center. Consumers expect much more out of banks. They expect much simpler banking than what we offer today. And easy credit is one of our first innovations in that direction, to bring that sort of a simplified user experience to customers. And you will surely see the bank come up with more and more. We are in the process of creating end-to-end digital value propositions for our priority customer segments, retailers, non-resident Indians, affluent clients, to name a few. And the focus is really on keeping the customer at the center and then building for the consumers and giving them financial services in the way they can find it easy. So very happy to be here. And thank you, Digital Banker, once again for recognizing our effort.
Thank you very much, Charu, for sharing with us as well. We appreciate all of that as well. Moving on to our final speaker for our symposium right now would be from Katikorn Bank. We have Usa Kosol. Where are you at? Usa, we do require yourself to unmute. I think you're still on mute. We can't hear you, so you need to just unmute yourself first. Usa? All right, I think we're having a little bit of technical difficulties. So Usa, maybe just try speaking again.
Okay, not a problem. Usa, we will try and come back to you a little bit later on, just to keep in the interest of time. Apologies for that. We are actually going to be heading over shortly to our product spotlight from Absa Bank. It's a little bit earlier than scheduled. Unfortunately, we were unable to hear USA, so we now have the opportunity to bring in one of our honorees, which is Absa Bank in South Africa, who's going to be talking a little bit around a product and an initiative that they want to put a spotlight on. So please do listen. It will last around probably around 8 to 10 minutes, and then we move directly over into the trophy ceremony. So we are going to be introducing Subhash Sharma, who's from Absa Bank. Subhash, if you're there and ready, please feel free to go ahead. The floor is yours.
Hi, everybody. And firstly, our greetings and to everybody from Digital Banker. Thank you once again for arranging such an awesome event. We are honored to participate not only in this event, but in various other events that Digital Banker has organized. In terms of Absa, our focus has always been one on customer as well as colleague. And our digital journey started many years ago in terms of our transformation, where our focus has always been that of the customer and that of the colleague. I think during COVID, the pandemic, this has accelerated our intensity into making sure that we deliver on our transformation goals. And our purpose is actually to personalize banking, is to digitize and create more access to banking throughout the African continent. Over this year, we have received 13 digital awards, and today is a culmination of a further data point in our transformation journey. We are incredibly grateful for this opportunity, and we would like to thank Digital Banker again for giving us this opportunity. As we look forward to what we have planned for next year, in the short term, we will continue our investment into artificial intelligence and start to really create a brand around our chatbot capability and our artificial intelligence capability. Absa was one of the first banks, or actually the first bank in the world to do banking on the WhatsApp platform. And we will continue to leverage our capabilities in AI and artificial intelligence to provide banking via chat platforms throughout the continent. We have a significant emphasis on security and making sure that whilst our customers transact digitally, that it is done so in a very secure way. In our region, we are probably the only bank that offers a warranty for security. Even if you were to be phished for your passwords or anything like that, our warranty covers all risks on our digital platforms. And because of this, we have made significant investments into very sophisticated, data-driven, artificial intelligence-driven, and biometric-driven security systems. Not only do we do facial biometric onboarding, we have now gone into server-side biometrics that allow us to authenticate customers biometrically on all our digital platforms. This level of security allows us to provide comfort to our customers that they are safe with us, but also allows them to transact freely in any kind of circumstance. As we look forward to next year, our industry will be launching tokenized payments, where we will now move into what's called rapid payments, using token proxy payments as part of our industry. These are some of the very exciting things that are being launched both by ourselves as well as our industry, and we look really forward to transforming the lives of our people and making banking more accessible across our continent. Lastly, let me thank all our colleagues in Absa. I'm just a representative of every single person that works tirelessly, both in the digital teams, in the customer value management teams, in our retail bank, as well as the remaining parts of our group throughout the continent. And I'd like to thank every single one of you for the contribution, and these contributions on a daily basis is what ends up in these kind of accolades. So thank you once again from all the folks at Absa. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Subhash. Pleasure to see you, and congratulations once again. Thank you to all the speakers who appeared on the short symposium beforehand. This is the moment that everybody's been waiting for. We go into the trophy ceremony. Ladies and gents, apologies about the interference there. We have got quite a few awards to go through, so do bear with us. You can refer to the gala agenda to take a look at when your award is likely to be announced. We may go over a minute or two, but we will do our best to observe some military timing here. So it's going to be myself and Cordelia. Let's jump straight into it, Cordelia. Should we go into the into the first category, which is the Retail Product Innovation Awards? And the first award in this category is the Credit Card of the Year. Again, a category here which receives a number of submissions. And your winner for the Credit Card of the Year for 2021 is UOB, otherwise known as United Overseas Bank. And here we have Mr. Nigel Sear, who is the Executive Director of UOB Cards and Payments. Nigel, over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Hello to all. It is a great privilege to receive this award on behalf of UOB. I would like to thank the judges for selecting UOB One Card as the Credit Card of the Year. Thank you for this recognition. This is indeed a great honor. I would not be here today receiving this award if not for the wonderful UOB team behind the One Card. This award truly belongs to them. I would like to take this chance to acknowledge their vision, creativity, and passion. Lastly, a quick shout out to all our UOB One Card clients. Thank you for putting your trust in us. We are grateful for your support and for the opportunity to serve you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Nigel. All right, we're moving on with the Credit Card of the Year, highly acclaimed, and it goes to a big congratulations to Hsbc Indonesia. And of course, we have Mr. Derek Surya. He's the head of brand communications and marketing campaign. There we go. Say hi, give a little wave. Congratulations, Derek.
Congratulations, HSBC. Congratulations, Derek. We move over to the Debit Card of the Year now, which I believe is the third award out of 15 for the Product Innovation Awards. And your winner for Debit Card of the Year is none other than Siam Commercial Bank, otherwise known as SCB. We do have Miss Siriwan Kanok. I'm doing my best to pronounce your surname there, Siriwan. Hope I got it correct. Siriwan is the first Senior Vice President. Over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you very much. On behalf of Siam Commercial Banks, I would like to say thank you to the digital bankers for recognizing SCB-led debit card as the debit card of the year for 2 consecutive years. And I also would like to say thank you to all of our customers. Their continuous support and feedback motivates us to improve our product and services to the next level. And lastly, I also need to thank my management team and working teams at Siam Commercial Banks. Without their excellent performance and teamwork, I would not be standing here today and receiving this award. Thank you very much.
And moving on to our Debit Card of the Year, highly acclaimed, it goes to Stanchart UAE. Can we please have Mr. Sonny Zulu? He's the Managing Director of Head of Consumer, Private and Business Banking UAE. Sonny, over to you. Sonny, I do need you to unmute yourself because we're unable to hear you.
Okay,
there we go.
All right, great. Thank you so much. So exciting to win this award. And I'd like to say thank you so much to the digital banker and indeed to all the teams that have been working so hard behind, us launching this very, very innovative card. I'd like to bring this challenge to all the players in the market. Let's continue to be innovative. The more we compete, the more we introduce innovative products, the better it is for us and for the clients, consumers out there.
Thank you very much there, Sonny. Great to see you. Great to hear from you. We're going to move over to the next award in the category, which is Outstanding Bank Card Innovation. Your winner for this award is Central The One Credit Card by General Card Services. And here we have Mr. Atis Ruchirawat, who's the Managing Director of GCS, General Card Services. unfortunately was unable to join us today, so we have a photo of him there. Once again, ladies and gents, for all the winners you see today, you will be able to hear more from them post awards, as well as intricate write-ups as to why they won, a rationale into their initiatives, and our judging methodology. So do follow the Digital Banker on LinkedIn and digitalbankeronline.com. Over to you, Cordelia.
Well, congratulations, artists. Unfortunately, we're unable to hear from you, but we're going to be moving on to our best digital wallet of the year, and that goes to Absa Regional Operations. And we have Mr. Tabago. He is the Me Channel Infrastructure and Change, also retail and business banking from the Absa Group. So, Mr. Tabago, please.
A big thank you to digital bankers and selecting Absa Group for the award. At Absa, we pride ourselves for being brave, passionate, and ready. And the industry in the banking sector can acknowledge that with the separation work that we successfully completed last year. We didn't stand still. We continued to proceed hard. We understood that our markets need a true Africanicity product, and we delivered our digital wallet into our markets, 4 of our big markets. COVID-19 didn't make it easy, but we didn't stop. We continued, and we landed this product successfully into those markets, giving our customers a true digital a wallet with easy onboarding capability and easy peer-to-peer payments. We're not going to stop there. We're going to continue enhancing the wallet and providing more capabilities and features onto it. With that said, I would like to say a big thank you for our partners that we've worked on this product with, our Pure Software, our CIO, and our leadership that continue to support us through this challenging times and sleepless nights as well. But we managed to make it. And to our technical teams and our colleagues in the countries, Botswana, Mauritius, Zambia, and Kenya, a big thank you for the collaborations that we and work into that we did while working together and delivered this product in your markets, so that we can really show what our agenda is in the digital transformation journey that we are in. Big thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations to Absa Regional Operations and to all the stakeholders involved in that initiative. Let's move over to the Mortgage Product of the Year, and your winner here is the resident OCBC Bank. We have Miss Lee Mei Ling, who is the Vice President. Over to you, Lee Mei, for a few words.
OCBC Bank is proud to be recognized for being the market first in availing sustainable mortgages with our EcoCare home and renovation loans. This was made possible through our partnership with Singapore's Building and Construction Authority. And indeed, we look forward to more ecosystem partnerships to bring enhanced value to our customers. Thank you.
Big congratulations. And we're also moving on to our Mortgage Product of the Year, highly acclaimed, and that goes to Gulf African Bank. Big congratulations. Unfortunately, they're not able to be saying anything, but we will be moving on.
And we move over to the best savings accounts. Unfortunately, not a representative here today to join us, but you will hear from them at a later stage. And the winner is Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation, otherwise known as Rcbc. Congratulations to them.
All right, and we also have our best savings account, highly acclaimed, and that goes to Hsbc Singapore, Mr. Ryan Sim. He is the interim head of wealth products and journeys. Do wave and say hi. Congratulations, Ryan.
Congratulations indeed. We do have a highly acclaimed in this category, and for those of you who may not be familiar with the term highly acclaimed, under the digital bankers acknowledgement of it, it is typically when we have a highly competitive category and our panel of judges feel that there was another initiative that also warranted acclaim, and thus we have highly acclaimed. So the best savings account highly acclaimed goes to Standard Chartered in Sri Lanka. And we do have somebody representing today. It's Mr. Chamikara Wisengi. I'm doing my best to pronounce the surname again. He's the head of consumer products and segments. Chamikara, over to you.
Thank you. Hi everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks GRB team. I think first of all, it's a great honor to hold this Best Savings Account Award representing SCB Sri Lanka, and indeed grateful to the panel of judges for selecting Marathon Saver as the best among this category. In terms of the product, I would say it's a unique customer solution what we managed to design, and we would call it a hybrid version of a kind of traditional savings account at one end and the fixed deposit being at the other. So it's a kind of a hybrid version. So the flexibility and high returns are kind of two parameters you don't find in one product today, but Marathon Savings product is offering exactly the same. The significant book growth we witnessed during a very tough, challenging time period was a kind of testimony to how this product has shaped the landscape of savings products within Standard Chartered Sri Lanka and industry as a whole. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank the various stakeholders within the bank who contributed in many ways to make this a success for us, starting from sales teams to operations and many other stakeholders who contributed in many ways to make this a grand success for us. Finally, a big thank you to our loyal customers who counted on this product by way of placing their trust with Standard Chartered. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to you and your team as well. We'll be moving on next to Loan Offering of the Year, highly acclaimed, and that goes to PT Bank CTBC Indonesia. So unfortunately, we don't have a representative, but don't worry, we will hear from you soon.
Thanks, Cordelia. And next, we have the Best Savings Account, which is highly acclaimed. We have, I think I'm repeating myself there. It's the Best New Product Launch of the Year. And that goes to Metro Bank. And here we have Miko Beltran, who is the Head of Cards Usage, Portfolio Management and Bank Assurance Strategies. Miko, over to you. The floor is yours. Congratulations.
Hello to everyone. On behalf of Metro Bank, I would like to thank the digital banker for this honor. This is a very big deal for us. In the Philippines, we're known to be a very traditional bank, and this just proves that having really good banking traditions and being innovative, they can go hand in hand as long as you have the customer at the core of the intent of your initiative. So we at Metro Bank, this is a very big deal for us. I think a lot of you guys can know this. When it comes to innovation, coming up with the concepts, creative concepts, this is really the fun part. But executing and rolling things out, that's when it becomes very serious. And it really helps to have a really good team behind you. So this is not gonna feel right if I don't say thank you to the teams that supported us. First and foremost, the Metro Bank Card Usage Group. The Business Intelligence and Decisions Management Group as well, Fraud Management, and as well as, of course, the tech guys. Lastly, obviously, I'm going to have to thank the people who are at the core of this all, our customers, our loyal customers. We're doing this for you guys. And yeah, thank you and have a good day, rest of the day.
Likewise to you, Miko. Thank you so much. We're going to move on with our Best New Product Launch of the Year for loans. And that goes to IndusInd Bank as well. Miss Charu, welcome back. She is our Chief Digital Officer. Big congratulations. Over to you.
Thank you very much. I'm extremely honored to take this award for Best New Product Launch of the Year loans on behalf of IndusInd Bank. I would first of all like to thank the complete team behind this product back at the bank. While I'm receiving this, there's a lot of people who worked tirelessly for several months to bring this product to life, and I'll use this opportunity to thank them all. We started this journey on easy credit just when COVID was reaching its peak, the first wave, and what we managed to deliver here is a unique, one-of-its-kind journey in the industry, in the Indian market, which leverages the complete power of India Stack. More than 35 internal and external integrations, machine learning-led real-time decisioning engine, and that all goes in to enable an individual to get a personal loan or a credit card in an end-to-end digital journey within a matter of a few minutes. The modular architecture, the Lego block-like architecture also allows us to plug this platform easily completely in the ecosystem wherever we want. And it has sure helped us reduce our cost of processing to 1/10 and has also transformed the customer experience. So we promise to keep on building from here, and we promise to keep on creating many more wows for our clients. This is just the beginning. And thanks once again for acknowledging.
Fantastic. A big congratulations, Charu, and your team as well. All right, we'll be moving on with our best new product launch of the year for cards. And that goes to Hsbc, Amanah Malaysia. And we have Siew King, head of credit cards. So do give a little bit of a wave. A big congratulations.
Congratulations there to Hsbc. And that really brings us over to the next award category, which is Technology Awards. A sincere congratulations to everybody who was awarded under the Product Innovation Awards. Of course, we're seeing a lot of innovation when it comes to financial services products. We're seeing the whole digital innovation piece really take center stage of that, and really looking to create products suited to customers. We're now going to move over to technology, which again is a very, very competitive category given the nascent tech available and the sort of implementation that banks are undertaking on an annual basis. Let's introduce our first winner, and the first award under the technology category is the Best Open Banking Initiative. Delighted to have representation all the way from Spain, and your winner is Banco Santander. We do have Mr. Manuel Cantapierda, who is the Chief Innovation Officer for Spain. I believe it's just a smile and a wave from you, Manuel. Hola. And congratulations to you and the Santander team.
And next we have our Best Open Banking Initiative, highly acclaimed, and that goes to Rcbc. So we have Miss Ng Lee Ping as well. She's the Vice President. So please give a big smile and a wave as well. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Lee Peng, and to OCBC as well. There is a highly acclaimed in this category, which is the Best Open Banking Initiative, and that goes to none other than Taishin Bank from Taiwan. Maggie Pao is your Vice Executive Officer. She's unfortunately unable to join. However, congratulations, Maggie, and to Taishin Bank. Cordelia, over to you.
We're moving on with our Best AI Initiative, and that goes to Scotiabank. And we have Grace Lee. She's our Senior Vice President of Chief Data and Analytics Officer. So it's a pre-recorded video. So Grace, take it away.
Data and analytics has always been at the heart of everything that we do, perhaps with lesser tools at some points in our history. But with AI, I truly believe that we have reached the intersection of promise and reality to better serve and protect all, not some of our customers, and build for every future. The pandemic created a surge of financial uncertainty for citizens and businesses across the globe. With AI, we were able to be there for our most vulnerable customers at scale when they needed us most. On behalf of Scotiabank, I am proud to accept this award and thank the digital banker for recognizing that AI is best when it's inspired by and serves our customers. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Congratulations to Scotiabank, and great to see representation. Let's move over to the Best AI Initiative. We have a highly acclaimed honoree here, and that is in the name of Standard Chartered. And here we have Mr. Siva Ramakrishnan, otherwise known as Ramki. Ramki, over to you. Congratulations to you and your team. The floor is yours. Take it away.
Hi, thank you so much. I'm really privileged to receive this award on behalf of our team and the bank. It's a great honor and privilege for us. In Standard Chartered Bank, with the world moving towards digital banking, we have taken an initiative to set up a fraud risk management COE, and one of the key aspects of this is artificial intelligence-based alert generation for fraud risk management. So I think it's more apt and timely that we are being recognized for this in this forum. So I dedicate this award to our entire team who have been working throughout for the last 12 to 18 months to put this in place. So thank you so much to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ramki. All right, moving on with our outstanding machine learning initiative, Risk. And that goes to Taipei Fubon Bank. A big congratulations. And we have Mr. Kevin Tsai. He's our Executive Vice President. So Kevin, take it away.
Thank you. So, thank the digital bankers provide a platform for banks to express their best practice and recognizing Taipei Fubon Bank's effort in digital innovation. In supporting our customers pursue better lives, we committed to provide the best service and the experience to satisfy them, based on the principle of matching the most suitable product to their needs. Just 2 years ago, we began the project. No one knows whether this idea can work or not. Since using AI techniques in customer investment risk evaluation is rare in Taiwan wealth management business, but finally we did it. As Fubon believe be positive or possible, we are glad to share the initiative with the industrial and expect to exert positive impact to achieve a sustainable future. Thanks to the digital banker once again on behalf of Taipei Fubon Bank. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to Taipei Fubon. Kevin, great to hear from you. We move over to Best RPA Initiative. Unfortunately, Keith Ong, who is from United Overseas Bank, had to, I believe, go off last minute, but your winner nonetheless for Best RPA Initiative is UOB. Congratulations.
That's right. Congratulations to you and your team as well. We're moving on with our Best RPA Initiative, highly acclaimed honorary as well. That goes to Access Bank PLC. So that goes to Mr. Fitus Gerhodaro, Program Manager, Business Process Improvement and Automation. So Mr. Fitus, whenever you're ready. We do need you to unmute yourself.
Yes, thank you very much. On behalf of the Robotics Process Automation team of Access Bank, I want to thank God Almighty and my Savior Jesus Christ for making this possible. In fact, the solution delivered helped our bank a lot in reducing our customers' complaints and improving customer satisfaction. What we did was to ensure that customers are promptly attended to for their disputes amount in their card while using ATMs, and that helped a lot. The team that was handling this worked overnight, the work weekends, for deploying this solution really relieved the team a lot, and they work normally now, so things have actually improved with this solution deployed. I also want to thank my executive director, Adeba Jomo, who gave us the needed push to get this delivered for the organization. And I thank every one of them, the operations team and other technology partners who were involved in this. And I want to say a big thank you to Digital Banker for recognizing this good work. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Festus, to you and Access Bank and to all the team involved. Excellent work. Let's move over to the next award under the technology category, which is the Outstanding Interactive Chatbot Service by a Retail Bank. And here we have HSBC Singapore, Mr. Ryan Sim, unfortunately not saying a few words, but here nonetheless in live in the flesh, and he's the Interim Head of Wealth Products and Journeys. Ryan, once again, congratulations to you and to HSBC Singapore for that recognition.
All right, and we're moving on with the next award. And that goes to Outstanding Interactive Chatbot Service by a Retail Bank, highly acclaimed, and that goes to Absa Bank. And we have Mr. Riaz Patel, Lead Portfolio Manager for Digital Channels as well. So please give us your biggest smile and a wave as well. Congratulations to you and your team.
Congratulations, Absa and Riaz. We move over to the Best Machine Learning Initiative, and that is won by Standard Chartered, and this is also powered by Experian. So congratulations to the two institutions there. And here we have Mr. Kaushik Das, who is the Director, Digital Banking Servicing BAU. Kaushik, over to you for a few words.
Thank you. I'm really honored to be present here and excited to receive this award on behalf of Standard Chartered Bank. It gives me so much of joy that the team collaboration to build an innovative solution leveraging machine learning and alternate data for use in risk management is recognized and celebrated. I especially want to thank everyone in the team who believed in the vision and made this possible. Most importantly, our sponsors Vishu, Vaman, and Manohar for the steer, Sumanta for the leading analytics practice, and obviously our partner Experian. This award will be a constant reminder that good work comes with unbelievable achievements. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and big congratulations to you and your team as well. Moving on to our next award, it goes to the best technology implementation by a retail bank, and that goes to HSBC Canada. Can we please have Richard Kuhn, who's the head of Direct as well. Richard, over to you.
Hello, everyone. Sincere thank you to you, the digital banker, and for the judges and advisors for this incredible recognition. I'm pleased to be the one accepting this award, and I'm doing it on behalf of a team of individuals across many disciplines and many countries at HSBC who made this vision come to life for our customers. At HSBC, everything we do starts with our customers and making everyday banking simple, safer, and more personalized for them. That includes serving them in their channel of choice. And that objective has never been more important than during the pandemic, as many of our customers were turning to digital channels more and more to meet their day-to-day banking and wealth needs. HSBC Easy ID has been one of the most exciting and impactful digital enablers of our organization. And with Easy ID, we are now able to effectively ID and open bank and credit cards for clients anywhere in the world through safe, fast, and easy onboarding journeys. Thanks again for this recognition, truly a reflection of our strategy and doing what's right for our customers. Please stay safe.
Thank you very much, Richard, and of course a lot of work input into it as well. Moving on with our best data analytics offering, this is the Vendors Award, and that goes to Experian. I will welcome back Joe Jacob once again, our General Manager of Decisions Analytics Southeast Asia. Congratulations, Joe.
Thank you. Thank you to the digital banker and the judging panel for naming Experian as the winner of Best Data Analytics Offering this year. I'm elated and honored to be receiving this award on behalf of Experian. And we are proud to support our long-term partner, Standard Chartered Bank, who won the award earlier today for the Best Machine Learning Initiative, to drive financial inclusion across Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Through the next generation decision engine powered by Experian, with machine learning capabilities and deployment of advanced analytics, Standard Chartered is now able to provide financial access to clients who previously would have been underbanked, empowering these underserved segments with access to credit and financial products in their time of need while managing the bank's credit risk exposure. This award is a recognition of dedication, commitment, and hard work from teams of both Experian and Standard Chartered. I would like to make a special call out to Manohar, Kaushik, Mukti, Anshul, Sumata, and Nilatri from Standard Chartered Bank, and the entire team from Experian who worked on this innovative initiative. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much, Joe. Congratulations to you and to Standard Chartered Bank, and of course to Experian. Thanks all for bearing with us. As I mentioned, there's quite a few to get through, but I believe we're doing quite well.
Yes, we are. Yeah, we're good. We're doing very well, actually.
Excellent. So we will be moving swiftly on to the Digital Innovation Award shortly. Interestingly enough, this is one category, or one category of award rather, that really grew exponentially in terms of numbers of submissions. When we introduced this category a couple of years ago, of course, with all the prevalence of digital innovation taking place in the banking landscape across all lines of banking, not just retail, but we see it in transaction, private, SME, etc. We've seen the number of submissions increase exponentially, and it's a pleasure. It's an honor to actually be assessing these as well. So thank you so much to all the organizations that really have committed and put together very detailed submissions. Let's dive straight in. It's your night, your evening, your morning. We move over to the first awards in the digital innovation category. I'm going to let Cordelia introduce the first winner.
All right, moving on with our excellence in digital innovation, and that goes to HSBC Singapore. So Mr. Ryan Sim, the interim head of wealth products and journeys, we see you again. So hi Ryan, a big smile. Congratulations.
Congratulations, HSBC Singapore. We're going over to the best digital transformation program here. And the winner is actually Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, otherwise known as ADIB. We did have Philip King, who was going to say a few words, but is unfortunately unable to join us this afternoon, and he's the global head of retail banking. Nonetheless, congratulations to Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank.
And we have our outstanding digital acceleration in response to COVID-19, and that goes to Standard Chartered. So we have CV Ramata Siva, our retail digital channel. So big congratulations, and over to you.
Hi, I'm greatly honored and privileged to be representing Standard Chartered, right, to really receive this award. And, when the world was presented with this challenges during pandemic in the last 2 years or so, from 2020 onwards, right, our team had its opportunity to really rise up to the challenge and bring on to the digital platform, online and mobile banking platform, largely close to 100% capability on the digital servicing capability on the mobile and internet banking platform. And the best thing that I would like to highlight in this part is that our team basically built a framework that could be customized using configurations. 95% of the capability could be rolled on in quick time. This reduced effort drastically by 50 to 60% of the development effort and being able to faster time to market. And I'm really happy that it enabled a lot of our customers to receive the same level of digital servicing that they would do when they visit a branch. And it cut down their branch visits to clearly zero. And we were really, happy to celebrate the success in this platform along with Digital Banker, that we have rolled out close to 168 digital servicing capabilities across 8 markets in a period of 18 months. Thank you so much, and I really thank the team that really worked hard, and Standard Chartered and fellow Standard Chartered colleagues who helped in making this possible. And
thank you so much. And
winners, thank you.
Thanks very much, and we apologies for the name there. We did have a last-minute change, and unfortunately, the joys of working in the virtual world, it's sometimes difficult to change things that have been programmed. But congratulations, nonetheless. Some excellent stats there as well. We move over to the outstanding digital acceleration in response to COVID-19. There is a highly acclaimed honoree for this award, and it is none other than CIMB Niaga for its Octo Mobile. We have Ramadhani Putra, who is the Mobile Banking Development and Project. Okay. Over to you, Ramadhani.
Thank you. It's an honor for me to represent CIMB Niaga to receive this prestigious award. We could not achieve this award without the hard work of all the Octomobile team. I would like to say thank you for all the people who have been supporting Octomobile until now. Highest appreciation for the Octomobile team. Let's continue the journey. Let's continue the innovation. Thank you.
A big congratulations as well. Moving on with our best pure play digital account, and that goes to Kasikorn Line. We have Mr. Chris Lachanaponchai, is the head of banking service and corporate strategy units. So Mr. Chris, whenever you're ready. Do you need you to just unmute yourself? All right, congratulations. Oh, it's a lot of feedback. Are you good? Okay, now we can't hear you. So unfortunately, Chris, I think I'm really sorry.
We can try once again.
Yeah, let's
Chris.
try once again.
Have another shot. Let's see if we can get you online.
Oh no! Oh, there we go.
No, unfortunately not. There's a bit of feedback there.
Yeah.
Not to worry there, Chris. We will give you the opportunity to say a few words at the end of the gala, and it will be recorded for all the audience to see. So congratulations on that recognition. Let's move directly over to the Service Innovation Awards, and I believe we have 13 awards in this category. Again, I think, Cordelia, we're doing quite well for time.
Yeah,
and,
we are. Fantastic.
Let me have the pleasure of introducing the first one, which is the Best Financial Inclusion Initiative. And this goes to Standard Chartered all the way in Botswana. And here we have Oyapetla Fantan, who is the head of digital banking and partnerships. Over to you there, Oyapetla. If you can hear me, please say a few words. The floor is yours. Congratulations. We may have a bit of connectivity freeze there.
Well, at least it's a good smile when it's freezing up.
It's a great smile, and we will come back to Standard Chartered Botswana a little later on in the program. Over to you, Cordelia, for the next award.
All right, outstanding financial inclusion in response to COVID-19, and that goes to Union Bank of the Philippines. And we have Antonio T. Coro, the Consumer Finance Center Head. So, Antonio, whenever you're ready.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank the Digital Banker for this recognition. I'm extremely proud of this innovation because it reflects the core values of Union Bank. When the country went to lockdown in 2020, we saw the immediate need to help our customers back safely from their homes. So Magis came into play as the team launched this feature in weeks, and all while working from home. This project also was made possible by our customer partners, Repintan Centers, who collaborated with us. So Ubuntu at the play. Congratulations to my fellow Union Bankers, and thank you for your passion and dedication to drive inclusive prosperity in the country. Once again, thank you very much for this award.
Congratulations, Antonio, and great to see Union Bank of Philippines represented there. Congratulations to all involved. We move over to Best Customer-Centric Business Model. Your winner here is CTBC Indonesia. Unfortunately, a representative was not able to join us this afternoon. So let's move straight over to the Best Mass Affluent Banking Offering. Cordelia, over to you.
That's right, and that goes to Bank One Limited as well. Anish Gopi is the Head of Business Management, Personal Financial Services Department. So congratulations to you and your team, Anish.
Thank you. Bank One is immensely honored to receive this award. Our aim is to continuously innovate so that we position ourselves as the key partner for the mass affluent segment across the sub-Saharan African region. Thank you again, the Digital Banker.
Thank you, Ashish, and thank you, Bank One. Congratulations. We move over to the Outstanding Merchant Payment Solution, and the winning institution here is Taishin in Taiwan. And we do have Mr. Kress Huang representing, unfortunately not speaking, but here in at least a photo. So congratulations to Taishin.
And we'll be moving on with our Best Payments Innovation, and that goes to the Royal Bank of Canada. And we have Nelson Cabral, the Omni-Channel Engagement. So Nelson, whenever you're ready, congratulations.
Thank you. On behalf of RBC Royal Bank, I would like to thank the Digital Banker Selection Committee for choosing RBC as the recipient of the Best Payments Innovation Award for 2021. I would also like to thank our strategic partners, technical staff, and team members for the countless hours of work they invested to develop a digital-only solution that is both forward-thinking and client-centric. Finally, I would like to thank our RBC clients for the continued inspiration and motivation that encourage us to think differently about banking can be. RBC Royal Bank is proud of the role we play in Canada and on the world stage, driving innovation that helps our clients thrive and our communities prosper. Thank you.
Well done, Nelson. Congratulations to you and RBC. Great to see Canada being represented in quite a strong outfit today. And let's move over to the next winner for the Best Payments Innovation, which is a highly acclaimed honoree here, and that is Standard Chartered. In Singapore, we did have Noman Bashir, who is the GM Personal and Digital Banking Head. He was going to say a few words, but unfortunately unable to attend last minute. Congratulations nonetheless.
And we'll be moving on with our Best Internet Banking Initiative, and that goes to Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia. And we have Mr. Samuel Sharma as well. Unfortunately, he has a very dashing picture of him, so big congratulations to you and your team.
Congratulations, Samir and Standard Chartered Malaysia. Let's move over to the Best Mobile Banking Initiative. We are not too far from the end from the Service Innovation category. And your winner for Best Mobile Banking Initiative is VP Bank. And we have Pham Longyang, who is a Director of Partnership Development and the Digitization Center. Over to you, Pham.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you very much, Digital Banker, for this, for recognizing VP Bank Neo for this very valuable reward. So in fact, also thank you all our digital team from product design to digital marketing, technology, because we all as a team works very closely together to deliver the best customer experience model to the customers. Because we target to deliver VP Bank Neo as a fully digital banking platform, which is developed beyond traditional banking apps, which is now open to both consumption ecosystems and investment ecosystems. And it is very important because customers use our platform to make transactions almost everywhere online, not just on the bank's apps. And it helps a lot for during the pandemic time. And I think for the years to come with the COVID, I think that this model will grow much bigger and bigger. So we keep opening the future of integrating with the ecosystems and making it with more microservices and API, and that helps a lot to deliver the best digital quality to all the customers of VP Bank. So once again, thank you very much for this time during this pandemic time, but it's very well organized. Thank you very much. And I wish you all good health. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Pham, as well. Moving on with our best mobile banking initiative, highly acclaimed honorary as well, and that goes to Stanchart Malaysia. So once again, we got Mr. Dashing, Mrs. Samir Sharma. A big congratulations to you.
Thank you, Cordelia. Congratulations to Samir Sharma and to Standard Chartered Malaysia. We do have a highly acclaimed for the best mobile banking initiative, and that goes to Ayudhya Capital Services Company. We have Chatraporn Inkanan Tavari, who is the head of digital solutions. Over to you, Chatraporn, for a few words.
Hi, good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Krungsri Group, thank you for Best Mobile Banking Initiative Award. I'm truly honored to receive it. This award proves that our team spirit goes beyond COVID-19 pandemic. We are able to overcome this challenge together. Special thanks go to our Krungsri Group, especially Krungsri Consumer, our best company for fully support our management to encourage and always open for new initiative and innovation. Lastly, you choose team for front end and back end team for your hard working. We did it. Thank you.
Kapunka, thank you very much. Chatraporn as well. But moving on with our best retail bank for millennials, and that goes to the Hong Kong and Shanghai Bank, or the HSBC actually. So we also have Miss Suzanne Yao. She's our head of marketing Hong Kong. Suzanne, congratulations. Over to you.
Hi, hello everyone. Thank you so much. Firstly, I'm receiving this award on behalf of the entire bank, and I represent a group of colleagues who have worked really hard to win this award. It is really a collective effort. It is really critical for us, especially in Hong Kong, to win the millennial segment. And it's not just to ensure that we have the right proposition, but it's really important for us to also win both their hearts and minds. And so we have actually put in a lot of effort to make sure we deliver upfront, from the product and offering right up to changing the way we have conversations with millennials. Thank you to the Digital Banker again for this award. Thank you, everyone.
And our last award for our best digital bank for millennials, and that goes to UOB Tomorrow. So we have Mr. Arvid Schwarzenberg, the Senior Director of Hit Strategy and Partnerships, UOB Tomorrow. So Arvid, over to you.
Hi everyone, thanks, and nice to see you guys at the Digital Bank again. I'm grateful to you and the panel of judges, of course, for the recognition of this award. First of all, I want to thank our customers for the trust, the competitors that force us to be better, our partners for their support, and obviously the wider UOB teams that have made and continue to push the boundaries for us to redefine banking. We started UOB Tomorrow focused on the millennials, and we did a lot of research to make sure that they actually, some of their needs are addressed. I'm happy to say that through the market growth we've seen, the net promoter scores of our customers, the financial growth, that's been validated, and we continue to look forward to as some of the further roadmaps that we develop for our customers. Again, thanks for the recognition and congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations to you, Arvid, and to the entire UOB Tomorrow team. Great to see you again too. Let's move over now to the next award in the program of this afternoon, which is the Frictionless category. And of course, this is all about removing friction from the customer journey and the efforts that banks are doing to make banking seamless. So we will introduce the first winner in this category, which is for the Outstanding Client Onboarding and Account Opening Award. And that goes to none other than Standard Chartered. We have Mohit Bhatta, who is the Global Head, Digital Retail Banking and Onboarding. Over to you, Mohit, for a few words. We'll need you to unmute yourself there, Mohit. Okay, we may be having difficulty getting some audio in. We will come back to you at some point, Mohit, so bear with us. But nonetheless, congratulations on the Outstanding Client Onboarding and Account Opening Award to you and the team.
Congratulations, Mohit. Thumbs up right there. Moving on with our best digital account opening, and that goes to Alliance Bank Malaysia. So can we please have Ms. Gan Piley, the Group Chief Consumer Banking Officer as well. Beautiful picture of you. Thank you very much, Ms. Gan.
Okay, and we move over to the best eKYC. This is still under the Frictionless Awards category. This award goes to Bank of Ayodhya, also known as Krungsri, and on behalf of the organisation, we have Ratika Kowit-Waranand Kul, who is the Head of Digital Solution Department. Over to you there, Ratika. Can you say a few words?
Hi. First of all, I'd like to thank you, the Digital Banker, for this award. And I'm very proud to win on the Best eKYC Award on behalf of everyone at Group C team. With the current situation and customer new behavior changing, the trend towards the digital platform, I believe that we are on the right track and to be able to provide the whole digital solution to the customer to be able to apply any banking product with the purely digital experience. Finally, I would like to thank you for the team for the great dedication and contribution to this initiative. And also thank you for the great support from our management for lead and drive on this project. Thank you.
Congratulations, Krungsri Bank as well. Moving on with our best automated advisory app service, and that goes to Standard Chartered as well. Mr. Sushil Anand, our head digital advisory. So Sushil, whenever you're ready.
Hey, hi. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for, and especially Digital Banker, for the award and the recognition. And I'm deeply honored to receive this on behalf of Standard Chartered Bank. The key thing here is that we are able to build a personalized digital advisory platform, and we are really motivated with our clients with their consistent usage. We are able to develop a frictionless platform which is first of a kind and is really helping us to grow and improve further. I also like to take this opportunity to thank the team behind this, that's the digital advisory team and multiple stakeholders whose creativity and passion has helped us to build a client centricity, bring a lot of client centricity and focus on the solution and achieve more and more for our clients. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Sushil, and congratulations to Standard Chartered for the Best Automated Advisory Service Award. We move over to the Best Self-Service, or rather, Best Self-Service Banking, and your winner here, unfortunately not represented, is ING Philippines. Well done to ING Philippines and to all involved.
With our best frictionless customer relationship management, and that goes to Standard Chartered. We have Mr. Murray Abduri as well, our global head client value proposition. So Mr. Murray, whenever you're ready.
Yep, thank you very much. Good afternoon to all. We are really proud to have won this award. This piece of innovation that we have brought about has touched thousands of clients. It has really made frictionless wealth management transactions possible for us. And for this, I would like to thank, first of all, Digital Banker for selecting us and recognizing this achievement. I'd also like to thank several of the team members who've helped us get to this point. We've done that through extensive design with clients and with RMs, and we are really proud to have made this innovation breakthrough in our services to our clients. Thank you.
Fantastic achievement. Well done, Murali, and to the entire Standard Chartered team involved in that initiative. Let's move over to the Best Retail Bank for Frictionless Banking Experience. And this year, this was awarded to Hsbc Canada. On behalf of Hsbc Canada, I believe we have Richard Keln, who is the head of Direct. Richard, I'm going to pass the floor over to you for a few words, if you don't mind.
Great. Hello again. We're obviously humbled by this recognition, and I know the team behind this Easy ID are honored as well. Thanks again to the digital banker, to the judges and advisors, and of course the people who made this happen. Special call out to Nicole, Aaron, and Vin, as well as the many others within HSBC that have made these awards possible. Thank you, and stay safe.
And then we're moving on with our Best Retail Bank for Frictionless Banking Experience, highly acclaimed, and it goes to the Bank of Aduya, also known as the Kursui. And unfortunately, Mrs. Haruko Takai is just not available at the last minute moment. However, a big congratulations to you and your team.
Congratulations to Bank of Aduya Krungsri. We are going to move over to the next category now. In keeping with timing, I think we're still doing okay. We are over halfway through all of the announcements, and let's move swiftly on to Marketing and Customer Engagement Awards. The first award within this category is for the Best Lifestyle App. And your winner here is Taishin Bank, a picture of Maggie Yao, Vice Executive Officer on behalf of the bank. Congratulations.
Outstanding Customer Relations and Brand Engagement Initiative, and that goes to HSBC Singapore. Unfortunately, Ryan once again is not able to be here. Oh wait, hi there, big wave once again. He is our interim head of Wealth Products and Journey. Thank you, Ryan.
Congratulations to HSBC Singapore. Moving over to another country now within the same organization. Excellent achievement here for the Best Customer Loyalty Program, and that goes to HSBC Indonesia this time. And we have Christian Lesmana, who is the Head of Consumer Assets and Retail Sales. Christian, the floor is yours. Please say a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. In HSBC Indonesia, we believe in helping our customer to go where they want to go in their financial journey. With that in mind, we designed the reward program where customer can get 50% discount when they exchange their rewards point to the multiple e-vouchers platform. This is especially helpful for those who can't redeem their rewards to mileage due to the pandemic condition. Accumulation of rewards point in HSBC is easy, competitive, not just from regular program, but also the tactical program that we have, like the 8 times multiplier, Million Points Club, and many other programs. So I am truly humbled. This is truly a team effort. Thank you to our HSBC Indonesia team, to our beloved customer, and also to the digital bankers. This year, we won the 2021 winner of the Best Customer Loyalty Program, and also the highly acclaimed Credit Card of the Year. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Christian, to you and your team. Next up, Best Customer Loyalty Program, highly acclaimed, and that goes to Access Bank. Unfortunately, Daniel is not able to be here. However, a big congratulations to you and your entire team.
Yes, congratulations, Daniel. Congratulations, Access Bank. Let's move over to the Outstanding Personalized One-to-One Marketing Initiative. Again, anything personalized, anything hyper-personalized really is what banks are undertaking at the moment. It's the future. It's necessary. And I'm proud to announce your winner for this award, which is Rcbc Bank Card. We have Mylene J. Biko, who is the Senior Vice President and Chief Commercial Officer. So Mylene, over to you. Congratulations.
In behalf of the Rcbc Banker team, I would like to thank the Digital Banker for this award. Delivering the best customer experience is one of the pillars of our strategy, and personalizing the marketing offers is a key element in this. We are truly honored to have been recognized for this initiative. This will
oh dear. Perhaps a little bit of internet connectivity issues there, Mylene. Do not worry. We will give you an opportunity to say a few words. Remember, there is actually a dedicated recording room, so please feel free for all honorees to visit that room and to record a 2 to 3 minute sort of speech. But great to see you there, Mylene, and congratulations to RCBC Bank Card for the outstanding personalised one-to-one marketing initiative. Over
That's
to you,
right.
Cordelia.
Salamat Mylene, unfortunately, we're unable to hear from her due to the technical issues. However, we're moving on with our best social media marketing initiative, and that goes to CIMB Thai Bank. We have Prapas Tongsuk, he's our head of corporate communications. So congratulations. Sawadee-ka.
Sawadee-ka. Good afternoon from Bangkok, Thailand. And first of all, we would like to thank the judge and the organizers for this award. Our team, I think both consumer and Corpcom, we are humbled to accept the award with pride. I think, as you all know, CIMB Thai as part of CIMB Group, operating in ASEAN country, but in Thailand we are quite small. We are having the limited number of branches to reach out the consumer comparing to the big local bank here. So social media is one part of our key strategy. I think what we're trying to do here is to ensure that we work very hard to ensure that we design product and service as well as the things to understand the real need of customer instead of just what we would like to sell, something like that. So I think as our slogan forward banking, we would like to forward together with our consumer, our customer. So I think that we have to work very hard because things have changed a lot. Thanks for the committee again. Thank you.
Thank you, Prapas. All right, the last award for this program as well, we have the Outstanding Marketing Initiative for New Product, and that goes to Kasikorn Line. And once again, we have Mr. Chris Lachana Ponchai, our Head of Banking Services and Corporate Strategy Unit. Hopefully, we're able to hear from you now. Chris? Okay, we do need you to unmute yourself. I think you're still muted on.
Any luck for you today, Chris? Let's see.
I still see the little red button, so I think you're still on mute. So we're just gonna check that again and try to give it another try. Are you still muted on? Yeah, I think you still are.
Okay. Hello.
There we go.
Okay, perfect. All right. Thank you, everyone at Digital Banker. So first, we would like to thank you for the opportunity for us to being here, being among all the thought leaders here. It's been quite a journey to launch our service during the past year and to touch upon the life of millions of consumers. To have that being possible, I would like to give our thanks to our colleagues at Kasikorn Bank, our team at Line Corporation, and also the entire team at Kasikorn Line. We will focus our energy to drive on our new service, and let's hope that we get to meet again. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, Chris. It was great to hear from you finally. At least we got some audio, and we're a big fan of all the work Kasikorn Banking and Kasikorn Line are doing. We're going to be moving on to the next award category, which I believe is the Omni-Channel Awards. Rather a short one here, but then we will be merging it with the next category. We're not too far from the end, so thank you so much for bearing with us. Thank you, everybody, for your patience of when there may be any sort of streaming issues. It's not the easiest thing feeding everyone's live stream in from various countries, but I think everybody's done a sterling job so far, and it's great to see all the winners represented here today. Let's move over, ladies and gents. We go over straight into the Omni-Channel Awards category. I'm going to let Cordelia have the honor of announcing the first winner.
We have the best ATM innovation, and that goes to OCBC. So we also once again have Ms. Li Peng, our Vice President as well. A big smile and a big wave. Congratulations, Li Peng, to you and your team.
Indeed, congratulations to OCBC Bank there. We move over to the outstanding response to COVID-19 for branchless banking. We all know how imperative this was and how important it was for banks to navigate around this pandemic and to this day. So we would like to introduce the winner. Once again, a familiar face from this afternoon. It is none other than Charu Sachdeva Mathur from IndusInd Bank. She is the Chief Digital Officer. I believe we're just going to get a smile and a wave this time. Nonetheless, excellent work and thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Charu. Outstanding response to COVID-19, branchless banking, highly acclaimed honorary, and that goes to UOB. Mr. Michael Ong Tekebeng as well. He is our Executive Director of Group Channels and Digitalization of UOB. So a big smile and a big wave. Thank you very much, Michael. Congratulations to you and your team.
Excellent work there, Michael. Congratulations to UOB. The next award in the omnichannel category is Outstanding Omnichannel Integration by a Retail Bank. This once again goes to Capricorn Bank. We may have Mrs. Usa Kwasol, who is the first Senior Vice President of Integrated Channels and Business Solutions Division, rather. Over to you, Usa. Do you think we can get some audio, hopefully, this time? Let's give it a shot.
Okay,
Excellent.
I'm honestly grateful for the recognitions I have received from our work. I have faced several challenges on our way here, but our teams never give up. Unless it's achieved, our K-check ID is all behind a smooth service and process for every customer touch point. I'm sincerely thanks our member for helping each other, where I can probably hold up this award as a mark of our achievement. We promise not to stop here and continuously deliver a great experience for our customers. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ Thank you very much, Usa, and congratulations to K-Bank. Wonderful to see you. Thankful we can get the audio this time. The next category is the Digital Wealth Management Awards. The first award within this category, which is one of 4, is the Best Hybrid Wealth Management Offering. Over to Cordelia to introduce your winner.
Thank you, Nirav. And that goes to Hsbc. And we have Janet Yuan. She's our Head of Consumer Wealth Solution. Janet, over to you.
Hi, everyone. Many thanks to the Digital Banker for hosting the Global Retail Innovation Awards, inviting me here today. I'm incredibly honored to accept the award for Hybrid Wealth Management on behalf of HSBC Customer Wealth. All the teams, product, digital, retail distribution, designers, IT transformation, who have worked so hard to bring us here today. We're thrilled to see hybrid as a category here. For us, it's really about bringing the best of human and digital to our customers, anticipating their needs and helping them with their ambitions. So it's our research into customer lives, I think, that has really driven our omni-channel strategy across the different personas and touch points, mobile, online, chat, and remote. So massive thanks again to the Digital Banker for having us and celebrating all the innovation in the industry here today. May we all work harder to create amazing experiences for customers and continue to celebrate what we do. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Janet. Massive congratulations to you, and it's a great recognition there. Indeed, to your point, it's so imperative to have the hybrid category there. That is what we feel, and that is what our analysis show that customers are looking for. It's not just pure play digital. There has to be a sort of hybrid strategy there, and certainly within the digital wealth function as well. So congratulations to you and the team, Janet. Let's move over to the Best Digital Wealth Platform, and that goes to Standard Chartered Singapore, and I believe we have Damon Chong Wai Kyung. Damon is the Executive Director, and he's going to say a few words, I believe. Damon, over to you. Congratulations.
Hi, thank you. Just to check, am I audible?
You're very audible, loud and clear, my friend.
Perfect. Yep. So thank you, and on behalf of SCB and our fellow colleagues, right, to thank you, Digital Banker, to selecting us for this Best Digital Wealth Platform for our structured deposit mobile platform that we built for China market last year. So I think across all the different asset class for digital wealth platform, this is one of those biggest compliment that we could receive. Firstly, just to introduce, on our platform itself, we offer real-time scenario analysis. We do 7x24 and real-time pricing for normally very complicated products, but we have made it with all our efforts from our colleagues, making this product very easy to understand, very easy to trade as well. Secondly, as I said, right, I would like to thank you all our colleagues that work really, really tirelessly, because we sized the client demand and the need, and we work really tirelessly to deliver this as a team effort. Finally, right, we're all very humble to receive this award, and we hope this lay the foundation for us to continue to innovate as we put the client interest at the center of everything we do. Thank you.
Congratulations, Damien, to Sandchart as well for receiving the Best Digital Wealth Platform. Moving on with our Best New Wealth Management Product, and that goes to Hsbc Malaysia. And we have Jeremy Lee as well. He's our Investments Service Manager for Unit Trust and Managed Solution. So big happy, big smile and a big wave as well. Thank you very much, Jeremy. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all of you, and Jeremy, great to see you there on screen. Congratulations for the Best New Wealth Management Product Award. We are going to move over, ladies and gents. I think we're still doing quite well for time. Over to the next award category after this final one, which is the Excellence in Digital Wealth Management. Again, a highly competitive category. Your winner here is Standard Chartered UAE, and we have Dr. Owen Young, who is the Managing Director, Regional Head, Wealth Management, Africa, Middle East and Europe. Owen, over to you for a few words.
Okay, thank you. So this is thank you to the Digital Banker for this award. It's a great recognition for the work of many people on a whole bunch of initiatives that we've been doing over the last few years. And I think it just inspires us to actually do better and better and develop some more applications going forward. So thank you for the award. Thanks.
Thank you, and congratulations, Owen. Congratulations to all involved in that Excellence in Digital Wealth Management recognition there. We're going to move over, ladies and gents, to the next category, which is the Sme Banking Awards. This is quite interesting for us. I mean, SME, again, the backbone of all economies. We've seen a lot of SME banks having to really navigate the pandemic, but also act as conduits, if you like, to ease financial turbulence, right? So we're talking about emergency loans, making loans accessible to small, medium enterprise businesses. And that is really what is a testament to how banks have, managed to navigate and adapt and adopt. Almost so much that we have had quite a bit of demand from institutions worldwide to actually run a segregated SME Banking Awards program, which we're looking into for the next year or two. Nonetheless, let's go straight into the winners here, and I'm going to let Cordelia introduce the Outstanding Response to COVID-19 for SME Loans winner.
That's right, and that goes to RHB Bank, and we have Mr. Dev Raj as well, our Chief Digital Officer of Group Digital Transformation, as well as our RHB Banking Group. So a big smile and a big wave as well. Thank you very much, Dave. Congratulations to you and RHB Bank.
Congratulations to RHB, indeed. Let's move over to the Best SME Mobile Banking App. And your winner here is Standard Chartered, and that goes to Shaukat Alam, who is the General Manager of Business Banking. I believe, Shaukat, you're going to say a few words, so over to you.
Thank you, and good afternoon to all. It's a pleasure and honor for Standard Chartered Bank Bangladesh to receive this award for Best SME Mobile Banking App. And actually, I'd like to thank the Digital Banker for presenting this award to us. As you rightly said, the financial inclusion of SMEs is a critical agenda for us, as well as digitalization. And what we have achieved here, that we have allowed the SMEs to basically come into the digital platform of the bank through their handheld devices and access to banking services at 24/7. And it's very convenient for them, and we have seen a large adoption during the pandemic. And I'm hoping that being the first in this market to do this for SMEs will do many more in future. And thank you again for awarding this to us. Thank you.
Congratulations to you and your team. Moving on with Outstanding Digital Innovation in SME Banking, and that goes to Taisheng Bank, and we have Gordon Wu as well. He is our Senior Vice President. So a big congratulations to you and your team. Not sure if he's going to be available, but it's all right. We're going to be moving on as well. So a big congratulations.
Congratulations, Taishin. Let's move over to the Best New SME Product of the Year, and that goes to Affin Bank. And here we have Raymond Lee, who is the Head of SWAT Sales Enterprise Banking. Raymond, I believe you're going to say a few words, so the floor is yours. Please go ahead.
A very good afternoon to all. Thank you so much to the digital bankers. We are truly overjoyed to have won Best New SME Product of the Year with Acclaimed Bank's Acclaimed Workforce. This recognition is an affirmation of Acclaimed Bank's capability to deliver our commitment and supporting the ecosystem, as well as comprehensively serving the SME community. So our differentiation approach has introduced a very unique and encompassing product that go beyond banking. Ultimate Force is here to support SME growth in a sustainable and profitable manner through the long-term business and talent management solutions. So especially in this global pandemic. We also want to thank our colleagues, partners, as well as stakeholders for their tireless support and commitment in helping create the innovative proposition. To our customer, it is always about you as we continue to seek to enhance our financial inclusion solution to future-proof their businesses. Once again, thank you very much from all of us at Affin Bank to the digital banker and of course our customer for this outstanding recognition. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you.
Thank you, Raymond. Congratulations to yourself and to Affin Bank, to all involved in that. We're going to be moving over to the People and Employee Awards next. Now, you know, there are a number of initiatives from technology to omni-channel to service innovation, product innovation, digital innovation, you name it, when it comes to retail banking, SME banking, wealth management. The level of investment made by all banks worldwide is substantial. The pace of digital acceleration and innovation is substantial. So we do have a significant number of awards. However, at times it is imperative to really look at the people and employees, you know, the driving force behind the change, those that are going to be, you know, managing the change, those that are going to be driving it and cascading it from the top down. So for that, we have our People and Employee Awards category. I'm delighted to announce the first award, or I may actually let Cordelia do that. So, you know, you get a bit of a change of voice there. And this is the People and Employee Award category. Cordelia, over to you for the first award.
Thank you, Nirav. And we go to the Outstanding Staff Training, Learning and Development Program, and that goes to UOB. So we have Ms. Dara Huang Yongshang. She is our Executive Director and Group Channels of Digitalization of UOB. So a big smile and a big wave as well. Congratulations, UOB.
Congratulations, Daria, and to UOB. The next one is the Best Graduate Employment Program. Of course, important with the number of sort of graduates now looking outside of banking at sort of technology organizations, fintechs. The competitive landscape for employees is you know, at a pace it's never been. So we're delighted that your winner here is Union Bank of Philippines, and we have Michelle Rubio is the Chief Human Resource Officer, CHRO. Michelle, over to you. I believe you're going to say a few words.
Yeah, good afternoon. Union Bank's graduate trainee program has successfully developed more than 200 young individuals in the industry of banking and technology through an accelerated approach. For the bank, it has been the source of talent, crucial not just today, but our future. We aim for our graduate trainees to develop deep skills and compete globally. We thank the digital banker for recognizing Union Bank's efforts in building young Filipino leadership talent. Thank you very much.
Salamat, Michelle. A big congratulations to you and your team as well. We're moving on with our Best Retail Bank for Employee Experience, and that goes to UOB Thailand. So we have Priya Siri Pranansolabol from our SVP Talent and Development as well.
Hi, on behalf of UOB Thai, today I'm very happy to be representative of UOB to receive the awards, Best Retail Bank for Employee Experience Award. At UOB Thai, we believe that when our people are engaged with our provide employee experience here, they can deliver the best performance and definitely can deliver the best service to our customer. So we have provide our people with three main themes: better workplace, workforce, and work life. So today we are very happy, and I would like to thank you all of HR teams here to help each other in order to give the employee experience to our UOB Thai people here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and congratulations. They say EX is the new CX, so let's see how that space develops over the time. we've got quite a lot coming out in the public domain regarding employee experience, so do keep in touch. Nonetheless, congratulations to UOB Thailand. Let's move over now to the Digital Banker of the Year. And this actually goes to Henry Aguda, who is the Chief Technology and Operations Officer and the Chief Transformation Officer at the Union Bank of Philippines. Henry, I think you're there. We can see you live and clear. Over to you. Huge congratulations.
Thank you very much. To the organizers of the Global Retail Banking Innovations Award, this award serves as an affirmation and reminder that meaningful work do not go unnoticed. Thank you for recognizing Union Bank's digital efforts. This honor is dedicated to all Union bankers that have come together in earnest collaboration to bring about the new digital normal in banking. Your hard work, fellow Union bankers, is a source of inspiration, pride, and deep personal joy. Let us all continue to bravely challenge convention and pursue inclusive innovation. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat, Henry, as well. Thank you so much. We're moving on with our Retail Banker of the Year in West Africa, and that goes to Access Bank. So unfortunately, Victor Utukul is not able to be here, but a big congratulations to Access Bank.
Absolutely. And let's go over to the Retail Banker of the Year for Asia. This wasn't easy, but the winner here is Mr. Samir Sharma, who is the MD and Head Consumer, Private and Business Banking for Standard Chartered Bank in Malaysia. Samir, I'm going to pass the microphone or the floor over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you. First and foremost, I would like to thank Digital Banker for this honor. It's indeed a privilege. This award is truly a reflection of Standard Chartered's effort in providing better and more accessible solutions to our clients over the years. It's a journey that we've been on. With digital being the way forward in banking, we have strived for innovation in this area, let be in terms of adding platforms on the wealth side or on the retail side on deposits and lending. But of course, all of this would not be possible without the fantastic team we have in the Retail Bank in Malaysia, who have really strived hard through these trying times over the last couple of years to make all this happen. So it's my sincere gratitude to all of them. And once again, on behalf of Standard Chartered Malaysia, thank you to Digital Banker for this great honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Samir, and congratulations to you, of course, and to your team as well. Excellent work there. Let's move over to a very short category, although a growing one. It's the Islamic Retail Finance Awards. And the first winner in this is for the Best Islamic Retail Bank in Malaysia. Would you like to go ahead, Cordelia?
Sure. And that goes to Standard Chartered Sadiq. So Mr. Zuzaini Motta, our head Islamic Retail Banking. Zuzaini, congratulations. Do say a few words.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So it is an honor to be here receiving this award for the Best Islamic Retail Bank Malaysia on behalf of Standard Chartered Sadiq Malaysia. So, and then thank you also to the digital bankers and also the judges for this award. Sadiq Malaysia would not be here if not for our counterpart, Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia, Standard Chartered Sadiq Global Group Sadiq, and all who involved directly or indirectly for these awards. Islamic banking is not new in the industry. So in fact, Sadiq has been in the market since 2008. We want to contribute or to tribute to this award to the bank strategy, pivoting to a digital-first agenda. In some cases, a digital-only approach is preferred. Strategically, this path is crucial because our physical distribution footprint is limited. But through the digital option, we have made available to our clients those limitations fall away. Therefore, it has been a priority for us to be the best digital bank possible to meet our customers' banking needs online and via their mobile smart devices. And today, it has been proven a success. In every step, in every journey and transformation, Standard Chartered Sadiq puts our client forth and their need drive as our priority. So on behalf of Standard Chartered Sadiq Malaysia, we thank everybody again. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Thank you very much, Suzaini. Congratulations to you and to Sadiq Malaysia. This award category, I think there's been an exceptional performance by a particular organisation here, which will be evident upon the next winner, and this is for the best Islamic retail bank in Bangladesh. We do have Asif Rahman, who is the director, and that is of Standard Chartered Sadiq in Bangladesh. So over to yourself there, Asif, and excellent work. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. Hello and good afternoon. We are absolutely delighted to receive this award from Standard Chartered Sadiq Bangladesh. I would like to thank our country team who supported us in this digital journey. This is the second time we are receiving the award in this category, and it shows that we are in the right track in terms of our digital journey. The award gives us motivation to keep on innovating and ensure superior customer experience. We'd like to thank the digital bankers for recognizing our hard work. This is truly inspirational, so thanks again. Have a nice day and stay safe. Thank you.
Congratulations on 2 years in a row. We'll be moving on with our best Islamic retail bank in Pakistan, and that also goes to Standard Chartered with Hassan Raza Mansour.
Hi, digital banking team. Thank you so much, and I'm really delighted to receive this award on behalf of Standard Chartered Sadiq. For Pakistan, I would like to tell that this is the second in a row that we have received this award. Last year, we have made our submission, and Alhamdulillah, we got this award last year as well. And I think thumbs up to the team who's working, the entire bank who's working towards contribution towards Islamic banking, which is a very highly focused through our regulators in the industry locally. And Standard Chartered Sadiq is been delivering on that front on all the product lines in terms of the Islamic banking. Thank you so much, digital banking team. Really delighted to receive this award.
Thank you very much, Hassan. Great that we could actually get you audible at that moment. And we move over to the final award in this category, which is really looking at the best Islamic retail bank overall. And your winner here is Standard Chartered UAE, and we have none other than Ali Alawala, who is the head of Islamic banking UAE and also head of retail at Sadiq UAE. Ali, congratulations for this exceptional award. Over to you for a few words.
Yeah, thank you very much. I would like to start off by thanking Digital Banker for organizing this very impressive ceremony today. This award would not have been possible without our teams working globally, the Islamic banking teams in Pakistan, UAE, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Bahrain, Indonesia, and Brunei. These teams work tirelessly to drive the Islamic banking agenda. I would also like to thank our entire distribution teams, the product teams, be that on the conventional side or Islamic side, because it was a collaborative effort by everyone. And I dedicate this award actually to all our...
Oh dear, sorry Ali, I think we lost you at the last 5 seconds there.
I'm saying
there you are.
I'd like to dedicate... yeah, thanks. I said I would like to dedicate this award to all our staff who worked during the COVID period, working tirelessly to meet the customer expectations. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Ali, and congratulations to Standard Chartered Sadiq across the board there for that exceptional performance under the Islamic Retail Awards category. We're going to move over to our country awards now. As I mentioned, we are actually doing quite well for time. This is the last category. There are a number of winners here. We're looking forward to introduce them, and of course then we will conclude the gala. So thank you for bearing with us, thank you for being here today, and to everybody who's dialed in from afar. So Cordelia, how do you feel about taking the first winner under the country awards?
I feel exceptionally really excited about this. Okay, we're moving on with our best digital bank USA, and that goes to the Bank of America. And then we have David Tarry as well. He's our Chief Digital Officer and Head of Global Marketing. We have a little picture of him as well. So thank you very much, David, and a big congratulations to the Bank of America.
Yeah, as you can imagine, the time over there doesn't really fit with where we're hosting the gala from, but you will be able to hear from David and read more around why Bank of America was awarded Best Digital Bank in America post-awards, so do keep your eyes out for that. We're going to move over to the Best Digital Bank in Mexico, and we did have a representative earlier from this organization. Unfortunately, I don't believe the time frame is now allowing this individual to be present at this time, but that is none other than Scotiabank. So congratulations to them.
And we'll be moving on with our best digital bank in Spain, and that goes to Banco Santander as well. Mr. Diego Romero Cantalanina, I think, head of mobile banking Europe and Spain. So Mr. Diego, whenever you're ready, say a few words, please. Oh, I think we're unable to get him,
Do we have Diego there?
Yeah, I think Diego's not around. Well, it's okay. We'll be able to hear from him soon anyway.
We will do, indeed. Well, nonetheless, congratulations to Banco Santander for the best digital bank in Spain. They are driving some exceptional initiatives over there, and that's a well-warranted award. So let's move over to the best digital bank in Botswana. I'm delighted to introduce Oya Peletla Fantan, who is the head of digital banking and partnerships, and that is to Standard Chartered Botswana. So congratulations. Can we get you up on the screen, please, to say a few words?
Thank you very much for the award. I think we're very proud to still be the only fully digital bank in Botswana. We have come lots of strides and overcome the COVID, and we've actually managed to place the bank strategically on your device, and hence we proudly and proudly take this award on behalf of Standard Chartered Bank Botswana. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and a big congratulations. I will be moving on with our best digital bank in Kenya, and that goes to Standard Chartered in Kenya as well. So Mr. Sami Muriti, however, he's unavailable for a little speech, so we'll be moving on. So congratulations.
Congratulations, indeed. And let's move over to the best digital bank in South Africa, and it's none other than Absa Bank. And on behalf of the bank, I believe we may have a photo of Ritesh Sarasan, who is the digital portfolio manager. But congratulations to Absa for the best digital bank South Africa. Oh, there we have Ritesh live in feed. Congratulations to you. Well done.
Yeah, thanks. Good day, everyone. It's a privilege and honor to accept this award on behalf of Absa South Africa. Let me start by thanking the organizers of this well-coordinated gathering. I think you've done an amazing job bringing so many people together from all over the world. I'd also like to thank Digital Banker for continuing to recognize and acknowledge the value that the banking industry brings to societies around the world. We do what we do because we want to make a difference. And being recognized by an organization such as yours reminds us of the strides we've made in digital banking, and that we need to continue innovating to provide the best value to our communities. I'd also like to thank the Absa leadership team for their support and encouragement. Our thanks goes out to the amazing design, technology, support teams, and every colleague in Absa, without whom we wouldn't be here today. You guys are fantastic. So in closing, thank you for recognizing the work we've done, and we will see you again soon. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Ritesh, as well. Moving on with our best digital bank in Zambia, that goes to Standard Chartered. So a big congratulations to Standard Chartered as well. Unfortunately, Jipal Singh is not able to be here, but thank you very much and a big congratulations.
Excellent. Okay, and we have the best digital bank in Africa. So that goes over to Stan Chart Kenya. Unfortunately, Sami Mwiti is unavailable to join us. He's the head of digital banking. We all know about Standard Chartered's entry into the 9 African markets to be driving sort of pure play digital banking. And it's great to see them recognized here for those efforts. We are now going to move over to the best digital bank in Philippines.
That's right, and that goes to ING Philippines. Unfortunately, we don't have a representative here today, but a big congratulations to ING.
Thanks very much, Cordelia. Moving swiftly on is the best digital bank in Thailand, and it is none other than K-Bank or Kasikorn Bank. And we have Mrs. Usa Kwasol, and I think she's going to say a few words as she's audible this time. Or maybe just a thumbs up. Excellent. Great work. Congratulations to K-Bank.
Moving on with our best digital bank in Vietnam, and it goes to Standard Chartered as well in Vietnam. And we have Shrikav Nakati as well. He's our head of digital banking. You can just give a big smile and a big wave as well. Thank you, Shrikant. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Shrikant, and to Stan Chart in Vietnam. We're now going to be looking at the best digital bank for Malaysia, and that is none other than Hong Leong Bank. And here we have Galvin Yeo, who is the GM or General Manager of PFS Deposits and Digital. I believe Galvin's going to say a few words, so over to you, Galvin.
Thank you very much, and hello everyone. On behalf of Hong Leong Bank and my team members at Deposits and Digital, I'm extremely honored to be receiving such an important award from the Digital Banker, which is the Malaysia's best digital bank. My team and I are grateful for the recognition we have received for our work in Malaysia. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank everyone in my team and also the other HLB teams involved in the bank's digital journey. We as a team will continue to bring value to our customers. Thank you.
Moving on with our best digital bank of Southeast Asia, and that goes to UOB tomorrow. Congratulations, Arvid, as well as your team. I believe he has a few words to say. Welcome back, Arvid.
Yeah, thanks. Hi again. On behalf of UOB, thanks to the Digital Banker for the recognition of this award and for the great event. I'm really look forward to the day when we can all meet again and actually celebrate in style. So, as a regional bank trying to surpass the limitation of branch banking through digital, this award actually means a lot. And the banking environment is changing rapidly with lots of new players and innovations. Our continued progress is motivated by the fact that banking will just not look the same in 10 years, and it lies within the imagination of ourselves to build a better financial solution for our customers. We're working really hard to try to stay ahead of the curve, and our vision is to be the world's most engaging bank. We've launched in Thailand, Indonesia, and now in Singapore as well. We plan to rapidly scale across the region with an exciting roadmap for our customers and for our digital bank to scale and commercialize. This award really belongs to the wider UOB teams and group and country and technology teams that made it possible. Just want to thank again the Digital Banker, all the winners across the world for the great work that you do. Stay safe and happy holidays ahead.
And to yourself there, Arvid. And actually, I forgot to mention earlier on in the beginning, but a happy Thanksgiving to all of those celebrating. Great to see so many banks represented here. We're not too far from the end now at all, and we're going to move over to the best digital bank in Pakistan. We've been prompted by our team that we may have a poor connection. We'll try nonetheless, but this award goes to none other than Standard Chartered Bank in Pakistan. And representing is the head of digital and data analytics, Khurram Mumtaz. Khurram, let's try and see if you're audible. Do you want to say a few words? No.
First of all, thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm afraid it's relatively inaudible there, but we will come back to you and to all the other speakers that had connectivity issues.
Yes, let's move on with our best digital bank in China, and that goes to Standard Chartered. So a big congratulations, and we have Connie Wang, which is our digital banking head. So Connie, ni hao.
Ni hao. Hi everyone. It's our honor to receive the country award as Best Digital Bank in China. We're dedicated to providing the client-centric digital solutions, 24 hours, real-time straight-through capabilities with minimum steps to fulfill clients' needs. Not only on our own digital platforms, but also be part of the digital ecosystem in the market. Thanks, Digital Banker, for giving us this opportunity, and thanks every award winner here to make the world better. Thanks.
谢谢 Connie. Congratulations to Standard Chartered in China. Let's move over to a neighbor not so far, the best digital bank in Hong Kong. And unfortunately, we don't have a representative here today. It was going to be the MD, Head of Personal and Digital Asia and Hong Kong. And that is none other than Standard Chartered in Hong Kong. But unfortunately, Shehzad Arif is unable to join in person. Nonetheless, congratulations.
And we'll be moving on with our best digital bank in Taiwan, and that goes to Standard Chartered as well. A big congratulations to Kate Lin, our Head of Consumer, our Private and Business Banking as well. So Kate, take it away.
Thank you, the Digital Banker, for giving us this important award, the Best Digital Bank in Taiwan. It is my honor to receive this award on behalf of Standard Chartered Taiwan, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the Standard Chartered Taiwan employees to put up all the innovative ideas into execution and provide a superior product and service to our clients. Putting our clients into the center of design thinking was really inspiring. Secondly, We must thank our clients for their continuous support. Clients' feedback is a great motivation for us to improve. Nowadays, more than 90% of our financial services are done digitally by our clients, and more than 80% of our wealth management transactions are running digitally. We will continue to stay close to our clients and grow together with our client. This recognition is a testimony for our collective efforts. We are on the right path, and we will continue to do the right thing. Thank you once again for the Digital Banker, and wish everyone stay healthy and positive.
Congratulations for this honor. We're going to go over to the best retail bank in Hong Kong now, and that is to none other than Hsbc. I believe we've heard from this lady before, Suzanne Yao, the head of marketing for Hong Kong. An immense congratulations for winning the best retail bank in Hong Kong. Suzanne, over to you.
Thank you. Hi everyone again. Again, very happy and proud to be accepting this award on behalf of Hsbc Hong Kong. I think this year has been momentous for Hsbc. We have put in all effort to deliver upfront, from digital to product proposition offerings, to making sure that everything we're doing is customer-centric. And from our results, and as well as the feedback that we're getting from our customers, we're very proud to be given the feedback that we're on the right track. And hence this award from the Digital Banker is another award that really recognizes that effort that we've put in. So thank you very, very much.
Thoughts there, Suzanne, as well. We're moving on with our best retail bank in Thailand, and that goes to Kasikorn Bank. And we have Mr. Susa Kosal once again, a very familiar face for tonight. So a big smile and a big wave. Thank you.
Excellent. And let's move over to the best retail bank in Singapore. And this year, it's none other than OCBC Bank. I believe this is the second year in a row we've recognized OCBC as the best retail bank in Singapore. The representative here is Aditya Gupta, who is a senior vice president at the bank. Let's hear from you, Aditya. Congratulations.
Thank you, guys. Can you guys hear me?
We can. You're loud and clear.
Awesome. So hi there, everyone, and congratulations to all the winners. I think it's an absolute honor for OCBC Bank to win the Best Retail Bank in Singapore award second year in a row. And alongside that, we've won 3 more awards today in the digital and the product innovation space. So a huge thank you to the Digital Banker. I think these awards are a fantastic testament, not just to our digital transformation journey, but also to the energy of our people, the passion of our people, as well as the entire resilience of our franchise. And especially in this new normal, I think we've continued to reimagine banking for our consumers, and we've created category-defining products, new personalized experiences, and all of these to meet the banking as well as the beyond banking needs of our customers. So once again, on behalf of all my colleagues at OCBC, I would like to sincerely thank Digital Banker for this recognition, and stay safe everyone and have a good evening.
Thank you very much. And we'll be moving on with our best retail bank in the Philippines, and that goes to the Union Bank of the Philippines as well. We have Joyce as Gonzalez, as well as our retail banking center. Kumusta, Joyce?
Mabuti, thank you. Thank you, Digital Banker. It is truly an honor to accept this award on behalf of the Board of Directors and Management of Union Bank of the Philippines, and on behalf of all Union Bankers, for they are the ones who made this happen. This distinct recognition is a validation and testament to the success of the bank's digital transformation, which started 5 years ago. Our success today was a product of looking ahead into the future and preparing the evolution of banking. We are confident that the bank's Teka Pilipinas efforts focused on promoting wide digital transformation would allow all of us to weather this crisis and emerge more resilient than before. Thank you very much for the recognition.
Thank you very much, Joyce, and congratulations to Union Bank of Philippines, otherwise known as UBP, for those excellent recognitions earlier today, and for that final award. We are, I believe, just 2 away from the end here. We're going to recognize now the best overseas retail bank in UAE, and that goes to Standard Chartered in UAE. We've got Sunny Zulu here, Managing Director, Head of Consumer, Private and Business Banking. Sunny, over to you. Excellent work.
Fantastic. No, thank you so much. I'm very, very delighted to receive this award on behalf of Standard Chartered. In the past few years, Standard Chartered has gone through a massive transformation in UAE, and to be here today to receive this prestigious award is really testament of the great work done by the team. And therefore, to our staff who have shown resilience, dedication, and commitment through the times, I say thank you. To our clients who have believed in our vision and trusted us with their wealth, I say thank you very much. And to our competitors, thank you so much for giving us a very good run for our money. Let's continue competing. Health competition is very good for the industry. And to the UAE authorities and regulators, thank you for making UAE one of the best countries to do business in. And lastly, to the digital banker, thank you not only for the awards, but indeed for bringing us together in this way. It's a long time. When I attended an event where we have everyone from everywhere meeting, old friends from all over the world, very well organized, and I just want to say thank you so much.
Well said, Sunny, as well. Can't wait to visit the UAE, and I must say it's really, really enjoyable having you. We're moving on with our best retail bank in Nigeria, and that goes to the Access Bank. Unfortunately, Emeka Modi from our MD subsidiaries is unable to be here today, but we will be moving on. So a big congratulations to you, Access Bank.
Absolutely. We move over to what is the final award of the evening, and that is the Best SME Bank in Malaysia. And this goes to none other than RHB Bank, and Mr. Devraj is unable to join us, unfortunately, for that. He is the Chief Digital Officer, Group Digital Transformation for RHB Banking Group. And that is for the best SME bank in Malaysia, so congratulations to them. And there's nothing else for us to say apart from, a huge, substantial congratulations to everybody that got involved. It's not just a thank you for turning up this evening, but it's... this makes it possible for us to assess so many institutions on such a grand scale. As a business, we are growing across markets, and awards programs are becoming more and more recognized. And as we do so, we have more and more countries represented. It's an honor to be bringing the community, the entire sort of network together across markets. The one good thing about COVID for us has been, or the pandemic rather, has actually been that it's sort of eradicated borders, right? So people may have had to fly down for one evening from the likes of Canada or from other sort of markets, and that may not have been possible. But due to the sort of adoption of virtual and digital, we now are able to celebrate winners across borders, and it's a privilege for us at the Digital Banker and Global Private Banker to bring all of you together, as per Sunny's observation earlier. So huge congratulations to you all. As ever, we will be producing a Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards report, and that is going to be produced alongside our Middle East and Africa Retail Awards, which took place earlier this month in November. For us, there is just one more program left until at least I fly back to the UK for Christmas, and that is the Global Transaction Banking Innovation Awards on the 1st of December. It's a short and sweet program, but there's a significant amount of transformation taking place in that space as well. And of course, when we look at supply chain and the disruption of COVID-19, you can imagine the sort of regulatory reforms, but also the actual innovation and transformation that's taken place in that line of business. If you haven't managed to see the Global Transaction Banking videos, you can actually go ahead to our virtual lobby where you will see the sustainability and supply chain that we put together. We had the likes of Bank of America, BNP Paribas, Citibank represented there, and of course we had another one around digitizing trade finance. That is on the 1st of December for those of you interested in joining the awards gala. Apart from saying thank you to you all once again, I don't know if you want to say a few words, Cordelia, and bid everyone a farewell.
Well, thank you for having me here. It's a really great honor to meet a lot of people from all around the world as well. We're definitely looking forward to be able to travel as well. So thank you so much, Nirvar, as well, for having me. My name is Cordelia.
Thank you so much. And once again, I've been Nirav Patel for the Digital Banker and Global Private Banker. See you all on the 1st and most of you next year. Have a great Christmas, happy Thanksgiving, and Happy New Year. Take care. Stay safe.